Oh, here. It's recording. Okay. Okay.
Oh, give your look at the card. Look at the card.
Go, go. Yeah!
Wait. Honk if you're sexy. Honk.
I feel like an idiot. I hope you know that's a woman.
Oh, that was nasty. That guy was nasty.
That was a woman.
You better not have honked. That'd be nasty. Look at all these cards that are coming.
Hello! Patrick, get out of the camera.
I bet we'll get a honk.
Somebody's
Someone's gonna honk. Oh! No, honk if you're sexy. Yeah! Yeah!
I feel like a complete moron.
Woo! I think you're moron!
Maybe they're gonna call us cops.
Are you sexy? Honk the horn! Honk the horn. You're not sexy? Oh, it's okay.
That person ran the stop sign because of that. Oh, it's funny.
Yeah!
Good thing I'm getting paid today.
Don't let that be the person ever! No! Come kiss that person that honk!
Good thing I'm getting paid today. Oh, who cares?
Honk if you're sexy. Are you sexy?
No, you're stupid.
Okay. I'm sorry, ladies, but I do.
1, 5, 7.
My turn! Let me hold the camera.
No.
Then let me say hi!
Get away from the damn camera.
Get away from the camera! No!
I'm glad I'm getting
Hey!
paid today.
You're passing the card! Is that Cody? Is that Cody? Yeah. What's up? What's up? Yeah! Guess what? Never mind. This is no fun. Jeez, guys, these people aren't honking. Is it working?
Yes, it is working. Oh, it's still going. Here, hold on. I'm so happy I'm getting paid today.
Yeah! Oh! You accept. You, yeah. Yes, you eat ice cream! Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call you. You're cool. I think that's the only reason I find Erica.
People are not honking! Get away! This damn camera.
Oh, yeah!
That's real too! They probably have more money than you also.
Oh, man. That girl sucks. She like moved that girl.
Oh,
that's a horrible honk. Did y'all hear that? Sexy people!